Okay, so let's talk about Ausbildung and master's degree for international students here in Germany. I think it's very diabolical to compare these two. To some extent, you can compare an Ausbildung to a bachelor degree, but to compare an Ausbildung to a master's degree, that's an out of stretch situation. But we are only doing this video because most international students find themselves choosing between a master's degree and an Ausbildung, since most international students come to Germany for their master's degree. Yes, Ausbildung has a lot of benefits, like you don't really need to prove your finance. If you get an Ausbildung that pays well, that means you don't need to get a block account or a form obligation if you're applying for your visa or if you're extending your visa. And also you get to learn the language and you get to gather a lot of working experience. And I think this is one of the reasons why some international students, when they come to Germany, switch from master's student to an Ausbildung, mostly because of the financial requirement. So what I would say is, for international students, if you are given the chance to choose between an Ausbildung and a master's degree, I will always go for a master's degree. The advantages that comes with having a master's degree, from my point of view, outshines or outweighs that of having an Ausbildung, especially if you already have your bachelor's degree, which is already ahead of an Ausbildung. Nevertheless, there are a lot of advantages that come with doing your Ausbildung, especially the fact that you don't have to prove your financial requirements. But these are the benefits that you get at the beginning. But at the end, if we all find ourselves in the working environment, then you see that in the long run, having a master's degree or a degree is usually better than having an Ausbildung.